This is 1-year-old ADDIE. ADDIE is a female kitty. She's okay with dogs. In fact, in foster care, she lived with dogs. And I'm showing you eating. I'm showing you her eating because she's eating so sweet and daintily. The boy cats that we have at the shelter, oh yeah, they gobbled their food down. And she is just the daintiest little thing. She's so sweet. She's small in size. And ADDIE at 1 year old is just so lovable. She likes to sit on your lap. I was holding her a moment ago. Really nice cat. Hi. How are you? Did we interrupt your nice meal? You like that, huh? At first when I gave it to her, she just kind of smelt it, and then she said, "Oh, this is good stuff. This is good stuff." All of the cats at Noah's Kingdom are fixed and have their shots and are ready to be adopted. So let me see if I can show you ADDIE's face. I have another video of her too, but she was just being so cute. Look at you licking those chops. Again, she is 1 year old. She's okay with cats. She had kittens, but she is now fixed. She's got all of her shots, and she is waiting to meet you. Stop by Noah's Kingdom Humane Society, and we'll let ADDIE have her meal back. There you go, sweetie. Thank you for your patience.